Okay, so this is where I am so far. I've actually started with the front as you can see. You can see I am here right now. I've started making the, excuse me, I've started making the closure rather. I've started with the closure. So this is where I am so far. Wow, this hair looks beautiful. Let me show you from this side. Look at, wow, it looks nice, eh? Very beautiful. Now it's time to make the closure. So you can see what I did here. This is the part we will keep this side. I parted this hair aside, and this is the one we'll work with. We're actually going to work with this. So just take it out, and then I will like center. This is the part I want to work with. This part here. So just make it into two, divide it into two. So we have a center party. This is a center party. Just going to divide it into two. literally finished this hair, guys. I have finished this hair. Oh my god. Finally. So this is the center part. I left the baby hair here. This is the baby hair. And that's our trim later. So this is what the hair actually looks like. It's very, very nice. Finished results, everyone. Finished results. let me put it on my dummy's hair so you can see what it looks like. So this is how the braids literally looks on my dummy. Look at the length. Oops. And she's even taller than me. She's taller than me. So this is very, very long. This braid is long. This is my hair. And this is my dummy's name is Summer. In case you don't know, this is my dummy Summer. And this is what it looks like. Mommy, I love this braid. Finished results. It looks very nice, eh? So literally looks nice on this braids.